Hi, I'm Macy from the Charleston County Public Library, and thanks for watching this virtual program. September is Library Card Sign-Up Month, and your Charleston County Library card is the key to a wealth of information and resources for free. Of course, we have tons of books. We also have movies, telescopes, museum passes, and gaming tablets for kids. And your library card gives you access to tons of digital content, like ebooks, audiobooks, music, and magazine subscriptions, plus access to databases for professional development, learning a new language, and genealogy research. Your library card is available for free if you live in Charleston County. Just stop by your neighborhood branch with your proof of address and your ID. For more information, visit ccpl.org.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Tunstall. I am the Young Adult Services Manager at the Wando Mount Pleasant Public Library. And today I'm here to do a craft with you. So we are going to make marbled paper just using paper, shaving cream, and food dye. You'll also need like either a toothpick or a ruler or something you don't mind getting dye on to help marble it, and then something to scrape the edges. But all household items. So let's get started. It's really easy. I would say anywhere from like elementary school through high school. I like it any age. So you have a baking tray. You don't really need a baking tray. This one has been loved. You could just do it on a table with like aluminum foil or even newspaper laid down, because that's what you're going to put your shaving cream on. So I'm going to use aluminum foil, and I cut it ahead of time so you didn't have to hear any more of that noise than possible. So I'm just going to flatten it onto this sheet just like that. And then I'm going to use shaving cream. This is, any shaving cream works. I've never tried it with the gel. Let me rephrase that. I just know that the shave foam works, but I mean, anything that becomes like typical shaving cream would work. And you want to have shaving cream that's about the size of the paper, a little larger. So I'm gonna spray it on out there. It's just the noise that shaving cream sometimes makes, I guess. Okay. So, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. So this is what it looks like now, and then I'm just gonna even it out. I'm using a paint stick, so I can just throw it away or reuse it. It doesn't really matter if it gets discolored. So I'm gonna even out the shaving cream. And it looks like that now. And then I have food dye. I've got yellow, blue, red, green. And I'm just gonna put different dots around the shaving cream. So I'll start with yellow. Just a few. 1, 2, 3. I always forget to go around the edges, so I'm gonna try and remember to do that now. And then I'm gonna do probably a little bit more blue than yellow. You want it to be fairly spaced out because we're going to marble it using this paint stick, and it creates a pretty nice effect. And then the red, just trying to find little spaces all over. Yeah, that should be good. So my advice is not to over marble it. So this is what it'll look like now. And then I'm gonna take this stick and just kind of run it through the shaving cream. So it mixes different patterns. You can swirl it, you can go up and down. It's really what you want. I just always, see, pretty cool. I always caution not to overwork it because it'll become a little murky colored. It won't be as bright and vivid. But this is your masterpiece, so you can create it however you want. I just made this one a little murky, so we're gonna try and fix it. Swirl and swirl. Okay, pretty happy. So this is what it looks like now. And now I do have cardstock, but I think like white construction paper would work, watercolor or like art paper would work, and I think even just regular printer paper would work. That one might bleed through a little bit, so I would dry that on newspaper just so the color doesn't transfer. So you take your paper and you press it into your masterpiece. Press it down firmly, but you don't have to like slam it down. And then you'll peel it up. And then if you have any, this is what it looks like. So I've got like little mountains of shaving cream, and I'm just going to wipe that off using the straight edge of this. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Can't. I'm gonna get a paper towel really fast to make it a little easier. I'm going to just wipe this off so I've got more of a, I have a cleaner edge to wipe the rest of the shaving cream off. It's always good to have paper towels around when there's like food dye and crafts going on. It's a rookie mistake over here. So, got most of the shaving cream off. It will evaporate, and now you just let it dry, and it will look something like this when it's over. Pretty cool. And now you could write like a letter to a friend that's far away right now. That'd be really nice, or just keep it. You could use it to decorate a box, hang up. It's really whatever you want to do. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope everyone remains safe and is well, and can't wait to see everyone back in the libraries. But until then, we'll see you online. Bye.